Our next task is to load a series of images and hold them in memory. This time we're going to assign the data to an array. Unlike the previous tutorial, we are going to load a series of images without pushing them directly into sprites. Because arrays work a little differently from standard identifiers, they don't need to be global and are accessible from within a function. So to begin with, we're going to move this down one level, and then we're going to create our function. And functions should always follow the same sort of order as a program. It just makes them easier to find. Though of course you can also organize them alphabetically if you want to, and there's a number of other organizational methods you can use, but I'm just going to have them follow the flow of the program. So we're going to type in function and load mole images, and then end function. And now we're going to type in mole images 0 equals load image, and put in the file name, so mole / looking 0.png, and then we have a space after that, and that's basically it. So what we're basically doing is passing the identifier of the image into this array. So mole images index value 0 now holds the number for the load image. And we basically need to do this for all the mole images we're using within the game, and this is 10 of them, I believe. You can check this up the top. As you can see, you got a value of 10 there, so that's correct. So remember, 10 is actually 11. Because we're starting at 0, this means we actually have 11 images being loaded into memory. So what we're going to do now is copy this another 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to number these. Like so. And now we're just going to update these file names. So the first one is looking 0, then it's looking 2, then it's looking 3. And now you might be wondering why if they're just going up in numbers, don't I use a loop? Well, that's because they don't just go up in numbers, they are actually different names. So we've got looking 0, 1, 2, 3, which we've typed in, and now we're going to have wave. So this will be the wave animation. So wave 0, and we can copy that. And there are 3 of them. So that's going to be 1, 2, and 3. And now we've got hit. So that's going to be hit 1, nope, sorry, hit 0. There's going to be hit 1 and hit 2. And hit 2. And now, to ensure that there are no mistakes made, I'll just move this function up one level, and just to ensure there's no mistakes made, we're going to compile the program, and this will let us know if any files aren't being loaded with an error message. And as you can see, I've typed everything in correctly, so all the files are loaded, and this is now loaded into the array ready to use at any moment.